In this video, we're going to talk about the box plots and outliers. So let's say you have a 5-number summary that you calculated, let's say through your calculator or by hand. And you noticed that in this data set that you had an outlier of 90. So you had to do a new max. The new max is based on the data that you have, not the boundary outlier that you get when you do the calculations for the outliers. So 90 is part of the data set, 90 is the outlier, and a new max is created in this case. So, and the same thing also if there was a very small number, that number would be an outlier, and then you would have a new min. Okay, so here I'm going to draw my number line. As you can see, I start at 60. You don't have to start at 0. Most teachers won't tell you to start at 0. Statistics, when you're doing statistics problems, we're not starting at 0 in this case because the data tells us that we start at 60, and it seems like we had a data point all the way to 90. So this is one reason why we end up at 90. Can you go up to 100? Sure you can. Can you start at 50? Yes. But always follow your instructor's advice. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a dot right above 60 to indicate that that's where my box plot will start. Then I'm going to put another mark at 65, 71, 73, and then 74. These 5 marks here will give me the ability to align my box plot properly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some vertical lines, and then I'm going to draw the box in the center. You'll see over here, this is Q1. Over there, right here, is Q3. This is the min, and this is the max. So the box is between Q1 and Q3, and of course we have the median, all right? So keep that in mind. And then what we do is we draw the whiskers. And then after that, we have our outlier. We draw it where that outlier is located, in this case 90. I put a star in there. One thing that some people do is they'll put a line for whatever reason here in the box, and it's not, there's no belt. No belt on this, so don't put a line there. You're supposed to put a title and also a label for the x-axis. But again, you can see that the outlier is written out. Now you don't put outlier here, I just wrote it out. So what you could do, you don't have that here, you just basically have the little star. A little star, a dot, whatever it is that the teacher tells you, that's the case. Usually it's a star. Okay, hopefully this is helpful in drawing the box plots or a box plot with outliers or an outlier. All right, if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. Please tell your teachers. Please tell your friends. There's more videos like this in this channel, and I hope you enjoy them. All right, bye-bye.